Hello friends, welcome to Home Tuition. Uses of do or does. ତୁମେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ କି? Do you study English? Do you study English? ଲତା ତୁମ ଘରକୁ ଆସେ କି? Does ଲତା come to your house? Does ଲତା come to your house? ଅନ୍ୟ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ତୁମ ପାଖକୁ ଆସନ୍ତି କି? Do other friends come to you? Do other friends come to you? ତୁମେ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରେ ରୁହ କି? Do you stay in Mumbai? Do you stay in Mumbai? ତୁମେ ଗୀତ ଗାଅ କି? Do you sing song? Do you sing song? ସେ ଗୀତ ଗାଏ କି? Does he or she sing song? Does he or she sing song? ସେମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କି? Do they go to school? Do they go to school? ସୁନିଲ ପଢ଼େ କି? Does ସୁନିଲ study? Does ସୁନିଲ study? ସେ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. He doesn't go. He doesn't go. ସେ ମନ୍ଦିର ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. He doesn't go to temple. He doesn't go to temple. ତୁମେ ବଜାର ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ. You do not go to market. You do not go to market. ତୁମେ ସାଜଲକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କର କି? Do you believe ସାଜଲ? Do you believe ସାଜଲ? ସେମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. They do not go. They do not go. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ? Why don't you go? Why don't you go? ପିଲାମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. Children do not go to school. Children do not go to school. ସେମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କି? Do they go? Do they go? ମୁଁ ଯାଏ ନାହିଁ. I do not go. I do not go.